I'm Aaron from Blue Diamond Machinery. I'm here in Victoria on Kapitol Group's Microsoft Data Centre construction site. Behind me are 2 amped entertainers powering 3 tower cranes and on-site amenities. These are silent and pollution-free solution to your construction needs.
So the job we're currently on has a significant reliance on temporary power, so to speak, where we have 3 tower cranes, we've got our temporary amenities, and we've got our actual site with temporary switchboards where we require temporary power. From this reason, in the planning phase of the job, that we opted in to go with the amped entertainers, which are right behind me, because of the significant, benefits that they offer our job. So it starts with some of the issues that we're having on our other jobs with temporary power, relying on generators, where if power ever did go out, all the site would get shut down and everyone would get sent home, which would obviously cost a lot of money. In using these entertainers, we could basically keep the jobs going in the sense that they stored our temporary power feed, so to speak. One of our key visions and values is sustainability. Obviously, in opting to use a battery that uses a lot less diesel fuel, that perfectly aligns with our values.
The amped entertainer will give you real savings on your construction site, lower pollution, and help you meet your net zero goals. If you would like to discuss how we can help on your next mining or construction project, please feel free to get in touch. We'd love to help.